Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have a dusk nighttime drive of this 2022 Hyundai Tucson SEL Hybrid. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. 13,000 miles on this one. Wow. Man, I love the new tail lights. That looks gorgeous. So of course, this one is the hybrid. Has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder under the hood, mated to the hybrid system. Take a look here. This one's Phantom Black over black. This one's peeling a little bit. Original price of $33,194. Yeah, this is gorgeous. This is the Comfort and Convenience Group. I'm sorry, not the Comfort and Convenience Group. The Convenience Pack. Yeah, overall pretty cool. 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters, of course. In sport mode, let's go for a drive. Yeah, this is cool. I like it a lot. First time driving a new Tucson. And of course it's the hybrid, middle of the road trim, which the majority of people are going to go for. And I will say flat out, it is quick. It's got a lot of torque. That 1.6 turbo is the same one that's found in your Sonata and your Kia K5. Same motor. Obviously, it's made it to some batteries and electric motors. To actually help a lot. There's no such thing as turbo lag in this car. You do have paddle shifters if you want to charge the battery. So quiet. Now I just drove the RAV4 Prime. People are loving that car. It was a great car. So it's kind of cool to compare the two of them because they obviously compete with each other. I actually think I drove similar trim levels too. I will say it is very windy today, so all wind noise is just going to be amplified a little bit. Whoa. It's a lot of torque. Batteries and torque go hand in hand. But once that 1.6 spools up, man, this thing flies. Whoa. You know, with the batteries changing the weight distribution to put the center of gravity a little bit lower, this thing handles really well. You can go into eco mode as well. I love how the gauge cluster changes. Smart, it's gonna adapt to what you're doing. Full EV. As long as you're smooth with the throttle, you can drive this thing in EV mode, even in sport mode. What is that? Oh, mail truck with no lights on. Tesla. Man, these things are cool. I like them. Let's go back into drive. It does a ding to let you know. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.